Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting with the Creme Pure Honey shampoo that I got from my influencer box to review. All the products that I'll be showing you guys is products that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, this is what the shampoo looks like. So right here I'm showing you guys the first time I went ahead with the shampoo. Now when I rinsed out the shampoo, the first time my hair felt okay. I did pre-poo this time around. I forgot to mention, I didn't show you guys, but I did pre-poo this time around. Now when I got to the second shampoo, my hair felt like super dry. So I don't know, but my hair just didn't like the shampoo. Now I will say, so this shampoo is supposed to cleanse, detangle, and help restore moisture for healthy looking hair. Out of all those three things, it did cleanse my scalp. That it did, but my hair did not feel moisturized after. And I felt like after using the shampoo, it definitely was more detangled. Granted, I did not wash my hair in sections this time around like I normally do, so that could have been one of the major causes. But yeah, my hair did not feel great. It felt so dry. Now onto the conditioner. Now the biggest issue with the conditioner was not having enough, of course, because those packets, I only had two, and I used one packet on one side of my hair and the second packet on the other. But overall, like, I just didn't have enough product, so I feel like I wasn't able to give my hair the proper conditioning as it needed. I did leave it in for longer than 5 minutes as they asked, but I mean, it didn't feel like super conditioned, if that makes sense, because it's just not that enough product. Like, I'm normally blobbing a lot of conditioner, if you ever seen any of my other videos, so I really had to like squeeze the life out of the conditioner and try my best. But yeah, it wasn't enough for all my hair. I mean, I got most of my hair, but you gotta use what you got. So this conditioner is supposed to control frizz and seal in moisture for smooth and soft hair. I mean, I guess it did an okay job. I wouldn't say that I see it as something that I would repurchase, like the full product, the full size product. And as you guys can see, I started using the new brush that I got from Marshall's, which is like the dupe to the Easy Detangler. I don't know how I feel about this brush right now. I figured out after that I can separate the, what do you call it? Like, you can move the piece around, like, and open it wide like the Easy Detangler. But I don't know. I may have to try it again when I have like a good conditioner that soaks up. I don't think this was the right time to try it because I just didn't have, my hair wasn't soaked up with enough conditioner. So I felt like I was raking through my hair, and I didn't like that feeling. So I just kind of stopped using it. And I did it, like you'll see, I don't know if I cut that out, but I just kind of just went through on my ends only, but I didn't go through my hair. I just finger detangled because I just did not have enough product to be doing all that. So alright, so this is what my hair looks like after conditioner. As you guys can see, it's like, it's moisturized, but it's not there. And after I rinsed it out, I mean, it was just okay. Like I said, it didn't feel how I normally like my hair to feel after washing a conditioner. So as you can see my face, I'm not too impressed. But anyway, let's get into the leave-in detangler, the not oil leave-in detangler. Shout out to the, I believe it was Costa Curls, LaCosta. She mentioned using leave-in conditioner in your shower. So I was like, let me go ahead and try this. Now this right here saved my life, honestly, and my hair, because my hair felt so much more better. It felt moisturized, and because after that shampoo session, conditioner session, I was like, alright, I don't know how I'm feeling about this line. And this not away leave-in detangler is supposed to instantly detangle, improve manageability of hair, and helps repair split ends. I definitely feel like it detangled really well, and all the tangles that I had left over, my hair felt so much better. And I think I'm definitely going to try this leave-in conditioner technique often now because I really liked how my hair felt, because I have high porosity hair, and so our hair tends to need that moisture, and so I think this was definitely a great way to add the extra moisture. And then once I went to styling, my hair felt like really good. The only thing I will say is I may have went a little too heavy handed, but like I said, I felt like my hair was so dry, so that's probably why I was just like slobbering it all on my hair, as you can see, like that section. But you'll see, like, I kind of just squeezed it out when I got to the next product, whatever like leftover product that I had. Alright, and the last thing that I will be trying is the Curl Activator. And, well, the Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. But you know, if you're natural hair, nothing can really stop shrinkage. You're gonna experience shrinkage. Do I feel like my hair was a little bit more elongated on the first day as opposed to on my wash day? Yes, but of course it didn't like stop the shrinkage away. And as you guys can see, like, I have a little like white residue, but after like my hair dried, it was gone, so it wasn't like a huge deal. Like I said, I probably used a little bit too much leave-in to start with. I didn't use as much of the Curl Activator just because I used so much leave-in. I just went with like a little bit, and then I kept it pushing. On each section, I didn't like go crazy with it because I used so much leave-in. And this Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator is supposed to create soft, defined, and elongated curls while moisturizing and adding shine. I will say this product may not be for you if you're a person who does not like silicones, because I found that a couple of products did have silicones, specifically the shampoo and the conditioner. Just in the pamphlet there is, so if you read the pamphlet, which I'm looking at now, that influencer provided me with, the conditioner and the shampoo, they said no sulfates or no mineral oils, but it doesn't say anything about silicones. But then in the activator it says no silicones, so the activator has no silicones, no mineral oil, or no sulfate. So probably hence why I like that product. And same for the leave-in detangler. It says no mineral oil. Well, it looks like the leave-in detangler has silicones, but I mean, it didn't feel too bad. But overall, like I said, my favorite products hands down of this line was the leave-in detangler and the Curl Activator. Those worked really well. My hair felt moisturized, and yeah, so that's my review. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of me twisting out my hair, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. My hair does feel moisturized with the Curl Activator, and as you can see, I put a lot of leave-in in the shower. I didn't realize how much I put, so I had to like kind of squeeze out some. But as far as shrinkage, I can't really see. It looks like my hair is a little elongated, but of course we know any shrinkage defect doesn't really defend you from shrinkage. Shrinkage is healthy, so really this is what my hair should be. This is how long my hair is, but you know, shrinkage is playing me. So, but make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe down below, you hit the notification button, subscribe button, so that you are notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.